Doctor, is there a pain during Lasik?
Most of the times LASIK remains a painless procedure. We do put some anesthesia on the surface, which we call as topical anesthesia. Fortunately, this usually is sufficient in almost all the cases. And not only that, the modern day LASIK procedures happen so quickly and efficiently that pain is almost unheard of with the LASIK procedure.
What about recovery time?
The recovery time of LASIK may vary from person to person, but in general, people recover almost 80-85% of their vision within the 48 hours of surgery. In the remaining 20%, 10% of it may be recovered in about say 2 to 3 weeks, and the last 10% may take anything between 2 to 3 months to recover. This is because the immediate effect of the molding of the cornea happens very quickly, which is 48 hours. But then there is a later part of molding where the surface has to regrow and then reshape itself. All this contouring will take time, which may drag on for a few weeks more. But remember, you will be able to start almost all your work within about a week or so.
How about the safety, doctor?
LASIK, fortunately, nowadays has been very safe, and it's never been as safe as now. We have been able to advise LASIK for our patients far more confidently than what we were, say, about 10 or 15 years back. This is thanks to two things. Most important is our understanding of the condition, when to do and when not to do. What are the cases to choose and what are the cases to reject. This has avoided almost all sort of important complications for us and made the LASIK much more safer. The second thing which has made the surgery safer is the type of machines which are coming in now have been very accurate and effective and are letting us do LASIK in a very safe way. Are there complications in LASIK? Well, yes, there can be complications with any surgery, but then the complication rate can be as low as less than 0.5% in this surgery. So in general, if we say LASIK has been an extremely effective surgery, and vision threatening complications, especially loss of eyesight, is almost unheard of.
Doctor, how about long-term results?
Again, fortunately for us, the long-term results of LASIK have been extremely gratifying and makes us really happy. Not only us, the patients who undergo the LASIK. The effect of LASIK is supposed to last lifelong. So the only time the patient will have to wear glasses is a condition called as presbyopia, where the age-related near reading kicks in. That's approximately at around 40 or 45 years of age, where people start reading glasses at that point of time. However, the distance clarity remains intact throughout the life and there won't be any problem. There is a condition called as regression. Regression is a situation where the power comes back either in a small part or in larger parts. Again, luckily for us, the chances of regression are far and between. We may see regression in long term in between say 5 and 10 years in only about 2% of patients, which is extremely low in number. So the long term results of LASIK are very effective and it's a good procedure overall and in general.